husband snores so freaking loud at night, I am about to lose my mind. I got the best night's sleep last night I have had in forever thanks to this tiny little thing. It is a little portable sound machine. Literally is so loud, I don't even know how it makes such loud noise. So loud. There's tons and tons and tons of sound options. It drowned out my husband's snoring, and it allowed my mind to just drift right off. I will literally be sleeping with this on my bedside table every single night for the rest of my life. And guess what? It's on sale. These are also great Christmas gifts and stocking stuffers. Make sure to go grab yourself one.